Hello friends, good evening. Welcome to the Go lectures once again. And this is the second lecture as a part of HTML tutorial series. So in the second lecture, we will see more tags proceeding further from the first lecture, uh, like image tag, how to insert web links in the HTML page, and different tags like paragraph, break, etc. Before proceeding further, I would like to tell you in the last lecture what we did. In the last lecture, we studied about HTML, basic features of HTML, what is HTML, how it is used, why it is used. I hope you remember all these things. If you don't, you'd have to go through the video again. So without wasting much of your time, let's start with the program. So first of all, I would like to tell you that we will see how to use break tag and paragraph tag in HTML. So let's start with the tag HTML. So don't forget to close the tag which you start. And one more thing I would like to tell you, HTML is case insensitive language. Whether you write HTML lowercase or uppercase, that's the same. For example, I write here HTML in uppercase letter and opening tag is HTML in lowercase. So that doesn't matter. That doesn't affect the functionality of the web page. Okay. So in the head section, we write title and give the name second lecture. And close the head tag. Okay, now comes body part. In the body part, first of all, I'm using paragraph tag, which is an empty tag. It's up to us whether we want to close it or not. So I'm giving some line. This is with the use of break. Okay, this paragraph is completed. So in notepad, in simple, I open notepad and that wrote the code here. I suggest you that open this window in that full screen mode so that you can better view it. Okay, otherwise I will increase the font. I think it might not visible to you. I hope now it's visible. Okay, so this is paragraph with BR. Now I am saving it onto desktop. Control S, desktop. And most important thing, the extension. Don't forget to give .html extension and save it as all file. Save it on desktop. Now execute it. See, this is paragraph. I mean, it opened a new paragraph and with the help of break it went to the new line, and we use break here also, so it went to new line again also. This is the use of paragraph. We can close the paragraph tag also. I save it, Control S, and we can refresh it then also. So it doesn't make any difference whether we close it the tag paragraph, because it's up to us whether we want to close the tag or not. Okay friends, now I am going to insert image in this web page. So edit it. Okay, that's the same. I use the previous one only. One tag is called img image tag, and we give the image URL src is equal to abc.jpeg. If your image in the current working directory, then you can give only the image name. If it's on in some other folder, then you have to specify the full path. Okay dosto, and we close the tag. I am save it, Control S. Now view the web page. The image is not coming those. I think because of this. I save it now. I close. Now open again. Now it's coming. See, we inserted image. This is a big image coming. We can set it by giving attribute height and width. Okay, dosto, now I save it and refresh the web page. You see that the size has been reduced. Okay, now I am going to insert hyperlink in our web page. A anchor tag, this is called, we use this for that hyperlink insertion in our web page. Ref hyper reference is equal to http colon slashes double slash www dot, you can give any web address. I'm giving Google because I want to open Google here. When I click on the link and you close that opening tag, you can give any name here, like I'm giving go to Google site. Okay, now close that tag. I control save it. Now view it, refresh it. It's saying go to Google site. When you click in on it, it's going to Google. Okay, now you see that a tag is coming in line with that image, so I give here break. But if you see, like if you give spaces here, new line, it won't come, only one space will come. I control save it and now execute it. See, only in the one line break has come, because in HTML the appearance will matter. If you only write tags in that background coding, I mean some code you have to write to make the appearance effective. You can't change the appearance in the background and make it effective in the front end. Okay friends, so it's the same as like this. Okay, and one thing, did you notice that when we click on this, that Google is opening in the same browser, same tab. So if we want to overcome this, we want this to open in the new tab, we can modify our code. We have one attribute target, and we can set its value blank. I save it, control S. Now we have to execute that web page. So it opened in the next tab, you see. So this tab is most useful when we want our web page to open in the new tab. I close it. Okay, now दोस्तों ये हमारा this was our hyperlink tag. Now I'm going to use tag which I use within the page. For example, I am giving here one tag a, so id is equal to tips. I'm giving some id tips, like useful tips. This tag contains some useful tips, say for example. And I want to, when I go to the end of this page, I want my link, when I click on that link, it should come to the topmost part of the page. So I give, to go to the end of the page, we have to use break. So I write many break here. I think that should be enough to end one page. Okay dosto, now I write one more hyperlink so that our page can be accessed from that, our top can be accessed from that link. href is equal to hash tips, whatever id we gave, tips. Now I'm giving go to useful tips. Now close the tag. I control S it. Now execute it. See, this is our useful tip section. Now when I click to go to useful tips, it comes here. So like if in lengthy web pages in Wikipedia, you see when you have to go to top to bottom, bottom to top, or anywhere in between. So in within the page to navigate, we use this kind of tag. Okay. Okay friend, now there are some more formatting tags, like we want some bold, italic, or some things we want to do, some formatting we want to do, like depending upon our requirement, like bold. This is in bold letters. I close the tag, and I also write something in italics. I tag is used. This is in italics. Okay, close the tag. I am doing control S. Now execute that. You see, this is in bold letters, this is in italics, these are coming. Okay, so there are many more tags which can be used in the formatting. In the coming lectures we will see what are different formatting tabs, like superscript, subscript, etc., strong, emphasize, many more tags are there. So for today that's enough. So today we saw that how to insert image in our HTML page, how to insert hyperlinks in our HTML page, and how to use break and paragraph tags, and how to use attributes in our HTML page. And one more thing I would like to tell you about attribute. Attribute are always incorporated in the start tag. You see that here, and they are often, I mean, always consists of name value pair. This part is called name, and in double quote it's called value. So friends, for today that was all enough. I hope you understood this. If you didn't get anything, please mail me or leave any comment on my video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel www.youtube.com goyal goyal lecture. Okay friend, and for till the next lecture, have a nice day. Goodbye, take care.